Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the best settings for gaming on the HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro. Okay, so let's begin. First, before gaming, before we start, we can open up the Optimizer app right in here and click on the Optimize button. Simply, the junk files, the processes that are running in the background will be cleaned and deleted, and the phone will work in the best way possible. So it's good to perform it. We can also again click on the cleanup and click on junk files to clean them up. Boom, and we get some free space. Okay, as a next thing, we can open up the settings, go into the battery, and we can enable the performance mode right in here. But remember that the power consumption of your device will be increased, and also same thing with the temperature. So I think we shouldn't use that mode a lot, because overheating the battery is not the best thing, and you should avoid that. But if you want to get the best FPS possible and the performance, we need to enable it. Okay. So that's when it comes to the settings and those things, and the preparation. But also, I'm sorry, you can also open up the recent apps and check if some of the apps are still running in the background. If something is, simply close it manually. Okay, now we can open up our game. I downloaded the Asphalt. And in here we have a few things that we can change. Okay, so now in the game, let's click on, in here actually, we can click on cancel. Now we can open up the settings, and I'll show you the best settings for performance. So let's open up the game settings and let's click on the graphics. And when we want to achieve the best FPS possible, in here first, let's select the performance mode on the visual quality, and let's select 90 frame rate. And when it comes to the advanced settings, we just need to simply turn them on the lowest settings. So all of the things such as bloom, depth of field, motion blur, anti-aliasing, volumetric lighting should be set on low or off. Just like that. And now we will have the best performance possible on this device. Of course, when it comes to the best quality, if you want, you can turn it on the high quality and max out those settings. Also, when we are on the game, we have a possibility to open up the game center. To do it, we need to perform this slide from the upside. Just like that, double times, and now let's scroll down again, and now we are in the gaming mode. You can click on that gamepad icon, and in here we can enable or disable the game acceleration. So system settings will be optimized for gaming, performance will be boosted, but your device will consume more power quickly and may heat up. We want to click on OK. And also when we are gaming, we can lock the brightness or enable like the D&D mode. It's called the uninterrupted gaming. So it will stop messages and notifications from getting in the way while we are gaming. So let's click on OK. And now we have the best settings for our gaming. Also, if you want to record your gameplay, you can always use the screen recorder, which is in here, or you can take a screenshot. When it comes to the all features, you can enable the mistouch prevention and disable the knuckle. And in here you can also read what things do. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.